So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you what assignment operators are and how we can use them. And also I will be giving examples of each of these. So let's get started. So assignment, which is basically the simplest one. I think you've seen this a lot. This isn't anything complicated, so I'm not going to explain this too much. So assigns the right hand value to the left hand variable. Okay, so basically it's saying that this is equal to this. Okay, that's all the assignment operator does. The other assignment operators are the ones that you need to understand. This is just the simple basic one. Okay, let me just show you. So let's move on to the other one. So compound assignment operators. These operators perform an operation on the variable and then assign the result to that variable. Okay, so let me explain what this means with this example. So addition assignment adds the right hand value to the left hand variable and assigns the result to the left hand variable. So what does this mean? What's happening here is basically this is saying that x is now 15. So you would think that, okay, x is 10. What this is doing is saying that x plus 5, okay, I want to do this. So x, which is 10, is going to have 5 added to it. But after I'm done with this, I've added 5 to x. I want to assign this again to x. That's what this is doing, and this is like a shorthand to do basically all of this. Okay, and you just get used to this as you keep coding, but this is the same as writing this. Okay, so I just wanted to be clear on that. And as you can see, it's 15. So if we add 5 into x, which is 10, so that's 15. Okay, so that's what's happening here. So the subtraction is basically the same thing, okay, which is x minus 5, and then after subtracting 5 from x, just assign it to x. That's it. It's the same thing, okay? It's the exact same thing. And as you can see, the value is 5, which is obviously if we minus 5 out of 10, then that's 5. Okay, so that's the subtraction assignment. Subtracts the right hand value from the left hand variable and assigns the result to the left hand variable. Okay, let's go to multiplication, which is also basically the same thing. Multiplies the left hand variable by the right hand value and assigns the result to the left hand variable. Okay, which is just again x multiply by 5 and x, then I want to put x multiplied by 5 into x. That's it. That's what is happening with this. And let me just show you the results here. See, again it's the same with division. Divides the left hand variable by the right hand value and assigns the result to the left hand variable, which is basically just x is equal to x divided by 2. Okay, that's it. That's what this is doing. And remainder. Okay, so the remainder is also basically just doing the same thing, which is x so this is basically saying give me the remainder and then add it into x. That's what this is doing. Okay, let me just show you. And if you're wondering how the remainder is, this is basically just 3 plus 3 plus 3 and then it's 1. Okay, so this is the remainder right here. Okay, so that's how this is happening, and this was remainder, and then x exponentiation assignment raises the left-hand variable to the power of the right-hand value and assigns the result to the left-hand variable, which is basically, it's saying that x raised to the power of 3, do that, whatever the result ends up being, make x equal to that. Okay, that's all that's happening. So it's basically doing 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, see, it is 8. This is how the assignment operators, the basic assignment operators that you will be using most of the time, work. So I hope you liked the tutorial. We are currently trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so that we can start creating full stack tutorials. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.